Thank you, fans, for tuning in to another unboxing and review from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. And this one is in the Mix 2 of JESTER. This one is the lime green version. On the back of the box, we have Son of a Digger, Monster Mutt Rottweiler, Scarlet Bandit, Grave Digger with those colored wheels, Hurricane Force, King Crunch, and Max D Maximum Destruction in the gold look for him. And JESTER is in Arena Favorites. So let's go ahead and unbox JESTER. This JESTER is based on the post-World Final 17 design. Here is the little figure that you get with JESTER. This is the poster that you get with Son of a Digger flying high at Sam Boyd Stadium. On the opposite side, up top, you see some trucks from Mix 1. And also then down below, which is Mix 2, then you get. And then we also have a look at what Mix 3 will bring us. So in Mix 3 coming soon, or you might already have some of these, there's Grave Digger in Arena Favorites. That looks a silver Grave Digger. Then Avenger with a pickup truck design. In Legacy Trucks, you have Megalodon in Overcast. Crazy Creatures is Dragon. He has a different chassis color to him. Then Brodozer with the Arena Favorites. Then Zombie is coming out in Crazy Creatures. Earthshaker in Legacy Trucks. And then you have the hard to find, it's supposed to be hard to find, of the El Toro Loco in the Training Trucks. Down below in the Double Down Showdown 2-packs. There's a whole bunch of them. You might already have some of them, but the ones that I wanted to share with you in this video real quickly is the 2-pack with Monster Mutt Rottweiler. There we go. And Monster Mutt Dalmatian. So Monster Mutt Dalmatian has a little different look. It just looks like a red chassis and those white wheels. If they stay with that, we'll see. Now this one will be really cool. We'll have Ice Cream Man and then a variant of Monster Mutt. And then we also have Radical Rescue and Earthshaker in the double packs. There's Dragon with those colored wheels. I honestly don't know how to pronounce that, but all I know, it looks like a big octopus. Now on to the review for the truck of JESTER. That lime green look really looks nice with the truck. The gold wheels, I really like those as well. Coming up close so you can see the graphics on this truck. There's the Monster Jam logo. There's also a nice picture of JESTER, the character, on the side of the truck, coming around to the front. Remember, now we have graphics in the front as well. The grille and the headlights. And here's the opposite side of JESTER. Now in the back, I don't think it's really a sponsor. I believe it is the person who owns it. I was always having a hard time finding out what that says on there, especially on the Hot Wheels version. I found it, and it's Tomfoolery Motorsports. When it comes to racing, we don't fool around. There we go, Star Creations. And we get the design with the diamonds on top. Hot Wheels always place the logo on the trucks Spin Master doesn't, which I really enjoy not having that. I saw some differences in the color of the character's hat. Also is the placement of the diamonds on the truck. The diamonds kind of get cut off on the Hot Wheels version, where on the Spin Master's version you can see them clearly, and you see the differences there in the front. Although I collected the Hot Wheels, Spin Master coming out on top, I believe, with the JESTER Monster Jam truck.